It's a snowstorm today, so I'll see how the weather is. It's quite windy here. Looks nice on the camera, but when you come outside, it's quite cold. Kind of dark. It's about 7:39 right now time in the morning. Ferry Street in Leamington, Ontario. Towards the downtown area. It's very small downtown. Passing through within 2 minutes. Snow is just getting started. Slippery. We're almost coming out of Ontario, which is about 250 traffic and weather. Nothing to stop. बड़े greenhouse आ गए. So here's the big greenhouses here, and you can see from left and right these big greenhouses. Leamington has the most greenhouses any town. Also small suburbs or sublets of Leamington, but actually this is still municipality of Leamington. It's quite large. It's almost 30 kilometers from east to west, and about 15 kilometers from north to south. still there's one more kilometer to go before we finish the greenhouse area. 1 or almost 2 kilometers. It's quite big. If you come here in summertime, you can enjoy looking at these greenhouses, going to some farms, wineries, and go to Peely National Park and Peely Island, which is about an hour and a half ride from Leamington. It's so beautiful. If you like the countryside living, but if you like the high rises and big buildings, downtowns, then best place is Toronto or Detroit, Chicago, New York, London. But if you like this area, so please subscribe, like this channel, and share it to other people so that I can make more videos. So here we go. So we finished coming out of Leamington. So this town, small town, very small village. Temple is part of Lakeshore County. Lakeshore, very small town. There's one big gas station there for truck stops called Petropass, A&W, and Tim Hortons, and one maybe small convenience store. That's about it. But there's also on the right hand side Iron Kettle, bed and breakfast. People want to stay here. Stop and one light in the center of the village, downtown. You see the video I can show you from one side. 401 again. So exit 194 coming. That's for the London International Airport. Going to airport from London. That's the exit we take. There's another on route coming next 30 kilometers. We are in Woodstock right now, the first exit going towards the Woodstock city. Traffic is very slow. So right now I'm driving about 40 kilometers an hour on 100 kilometer highway speed. So from here, 401 and 403 split. So 403 highway goes to Niagara Falls, Hamilton, and also 403 attached to Queen Elizabeth Way going to Toronto downtown. But now we are on 401 going to Toronto, Cambridge, Kitchener area. So from here the traffic will be a little bit slower for the two highways split. Some traffic gone towards Hamilton and some towards Toronto, Waterloo, Golf area. So it's very slippery though. I'm taking my time. You can see that the road is mostly snow covered. So we are out of the Woodstock city area. Now we're going towards Cambridge. Our next stop. Then I'll stop at the nursing home to see my mom. So stay tuned and enjoy the snowy weather. It's not fun to drive, honestly speaking. Very dangerous. In Woodstock, there's a big Toyota plant where the RAV4 SUVs built here, and plus there's a big nice hospital and some other industries. There's quite a new subdivisions here. People moved from Toronto, Kitchener, Waterloo, Cambridge area. So about 120 kilometers away from Mississauga, 150 kilometers from Toronto. You see here coming signs. So Toronto 143, Kitchener 52, and Cambridge 52. Half an hour, 40 minutes drive if you're driving slow in this weather. We are reaching Cambridge area now. So Cambridge, Kitchener area coming soon. So this is a township of North Dumfries, population 10,500. This is the outskirts of Kitchener and Cambridge area. It's a rural subdivision kind of thing. A lot of big homes and empty land, forest type of area. But you will see Cambridge coming soon very quickly. So this is exit 268. This is going to Iron, Ontario. The insurance company, Farmers Mutual Insurance Company. Kitchener area population 257,000. Two entry changes. Kitchener, Cambridge are just side by side next to each other. Wolf is also close by. This is Homer Watson Boulevard, Kitchener, or Fountain Street, Cambridge. Exit coming soon. Take the exit to the left, you will end up in Kitchener. If you take the exit to the right, you will end up in Cambridge. College here in Cambridge and Kitchener. On the right side is Cambridge branch, and the north side is left side of the highway is Kitchener branch. There is also a University of Waterloo in Waterloo, Ontario here, about 30 kilometers from here, and Welfare Laurier University. There's one other Christian university. So total 3 universities, and Conestoga College and Nursing College and Architecture College are here. So this is a area with lot of higher education institutions, and lots of students from all over Canada and from around the world are studying here. It's a very good area. Lots of jobs, high-tech jobs here, and also blue-collar jobs as well. So we are getting out of 401 now, exit 278A. So all went well, so we okay. ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਚਾਲ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ? Coming out of the nursing home, going towards the cars. Quite snowy. It was nice meeting mother, getting her blessings, and now on my way to work. So now I'm on the road to the office. We are going towards Guelph, Milton, then Mississauga, and Toronto. So stay tuned. Weather is still bad. Going towards Toronto. I'm going to stop at the next on route coming up soon in a few minutes. Do some office work at my computer, and from there head towards Mississauga. So this is the fourth en route on 401 from Windsor to Toronto. It's the last one before Toronto. So I'm going to stop here and do some work on the computer, remotely working from here, urgent things to do. Every en route is almost same type. Some are smaller, some are bigger in size. So the one near Windsor was the smallest. This is quite big and more options. A&W, Starbucks, Tim Hortons, stores. Let's see what I can get. So I'm going to go to drive-through to get something to eat. There's a big lineup inside. And I'll get quicker service here. A big lineup for food. There's 3 cars ahead of me on the drive-through on the 4th one. So that will come. I should think of them out. Got that orange juice. Chicken wrap. Stop here and eat. Then on the way to Toronto. 45 minutes to 1 hour. So let's get some windshield washer from here. Fill up the gas and windshield washer. Now I'm going to the next stop in the office. So the next 2 exits are for Guelph is also a very nice city. It has a very good University of Golf. So over 30,000 students study here. Population of Golf is around 135,000, and out of that 30,000 are students here. So that's a big number compared to the population of the city. So when students are gone, then it's summertime, and it looks like a ghost town. So students makes all the town attractive. So now the traffic is smooth. There were 3 cars accident there, so that's gone. So now I hope it will be smooth sailing till Mississauga. That's why it's showing 35 minutes drive from here. 35 minutes only when there's no traffic at all. So next exit coming for Golf is Brock Road, and if you're going north from here 401 taking exit 299, you will end up in Golf, and you'll go right into University of Golf and then downtown Golf. Or if you're taking this Highway 6 south at exit 299, you will end up in Dundas, Hamilton downtown. Then you will reach Highway 403. If you want to go to Niagara Falls, you take this exit 299 from 401 from this area, Highway 6 to 403, 403 to QW, Niagara Falls, Buffalo, that to the US border. So we are reaching near Milton, Ontario. So Milton is a very fast growing community. We are almost there. As the next first exit is Golf Line, which divides Milton and Golf area. Right now we are still in the county of Wellington, but we are reaching now Halton region. Halton region, Milton, Oakville, and Halton is 3 communities. Separate police force for Halton Regional Police. The regions they are like Halton region, then Peel region, then York region, then Durham region, all those regions. And but in area where I live near Windsor, it's called Essex County, Lakeshore County. So there's called counties. Here is called regions. So that's Milton Hill. There's a ski area. People do ski during winter, especially when there's lots of snow, as it is right now. You can see that there's snow there on the mountain. Here we have a little bit downhill. But all the way from Leamington to Cambridge and near Golf, almost up to Milton, was quite a bad weather. Now the weather looks cold, good. It's still cold. It's minus 3 degrees and windy, but still roads are clear. We are in Mississauga right now. It will take me another 13 minutes to go to my office. up in Toronto. Hello. So I just reached the office.